Today, I'm reviewing the BLUEAIR Air Purifier. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. If you're looking for one of the most powerful, efficient, and smart air purifiers for large rooms, the BLUEAIR Blue Pure 211i Max is a top contender that deserves your attention. This air purifier is designed to clean massive spaces, up to 3,048 square feet in just 1 hour, which means whether you have a large living room, an open office, or a loft-style apartment, this device is up to the task. One of the most impressive things about this Blue Pure 211i Max is its HEPASilent dual filtration technology. Unlike traditional HEPA filters that can be noisy and energy-intensive, BLUEAIR's HEPASilent tech combines mechanical and electrostatic filtration to remove at least 99.97% of airborne particles down to 0.1 microns. This means it effectively traps microscopic threats such as viruses, smoke, pollen, mold spores, dust, and pet dander. For allergy sufferers or pet owners, this level of purification is a game changer. Not only is it powerful, but it's incredibly quiet too. Certified by QuietMark, the noise level ranges from just 23 decibels on its lowest setting, that's quieter than a whisper, up to a still unobtrusive 53 decibels on the highest fan speed. So, it can run silently overnight in your bedroom without disturbing your sleep, or you can crank it up during the day to quickly refresh the air in large spaces. Another standout feature is the smart capabilities packed into this purifier. You can control it easily via the BLUEAIR app, which offers scheduling, real-time air quality monitoring, and customizable fan speeds. The app even includes features like Clean Air ETA, which predicts when the air will be fully purified, and geofencing with Welcome Home mode that automatically adjusts settings when you come back home. Plus, if you're into smart home systems, it supports Alexa voice control, so you can adjust settings with just your voice. The design is sleek and modern, blending a white and gray finish that looks great in any home or office setting. The LED display is intuitive and uses a 5-color air quality indicator, giving you a quick snapshot of the current air quality in your space. Whether it's PM1, PM2.5, or PM10 particles, the Blue Pure 211i Max monitors it all in real time, so you're always informed. Maintenance is straightforward with this purifier. It uses a replaceable activated carbon filter that not only traps airborne particles, but also neutralizes common household odors from cooking, pets, and smoke. The replacement filters are genuine BLUEAIR parts designed specifically for this model, ensuring consistent performance and longevity. In terms of energy efficiency, this air purifier is designed to use less power while delivering more clean air compared to other models. This means you get a high-performance purifier that won't cause your electricity bill to spike. To summarize, if you need an air purifier that can handle very large spaces, operates quietly, uses advanced filtration technology, and offers smart, convenient features, the BLUEAIR Blue Pure 211i Max is an excellent investment. It's perfect for people with allergies, pet owners, or anyone living in an area with pollution or smoke concerns. With this purifier, you're not just buying an appliance. You're investing in cleaner, healthier air for your home or office, backed by reliable BLUEAIR quality and technology.